let me show you how to change the propellers on this type of mini drone. So inside the box you will actually get a bunch of spare propellers and also this blade removal tool as well. And also what you need to know is that the blades are actually different, basically. So you have two types of blades on this drone if you actually observe closely. And if you look very closely, basically on the blade you actually have letter over here. So you see I have B, 2 and also A. So you see basically we have tiny letters basically. So when it comes to which is which, so okay, so this is A, this also is A, so these both are A and these are B blades. So again you have to install them correctly. So again these are the same and these again are the same, but again yeah, so make sure to actually check out the correct letters. And then to remove the blade we simply have to take this tool. Okay, and let me zoom in. As you see, we can simply take this tiny tool and simply jam it under that blade. So you see basically like this. Let's see what I have done. And then we simply pop it off. So you see, very easy. And to replace the blade, again obviously make sure you have the correct blade needed for that side, and we can simply pop it on this tiny rod essentially. So again it simply pushes on like this, and make sure it's properly all the way in. And that's pretty much it. By the way, also if you do not have this tool, we can probably even remove it with just fingers by pulling. So maybe let's test out if I can. Okay, maybe simply wiggle a bit. So but again be careful. So you see we can even pull it off without needing the tool, it appears as well. And then again to replace it, simply push it back on. So again make sure it's secure. Anyway, good luck.